Guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Forex update for Monday the 18th. So yeah, straight over to the charts. So here is Euro US dollar, as you guys know, is my favorite short. You can see we're touching the bottom of this this pennant formation. So yeah, if we break and close a daily candle below here, so let's say around this level, we'll say yeah, one spot 076 077. Yeah, I'd expect a pretty sharp sell-off around to like at least the 105 zone over the next over the week or so after that. But yeah, conversely, we could come back and test the top of the range again. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at there. It's a very tight range, as you can see, so the TD is not really giving us a lot of help here. We got a nice basically a 9 here, which did signal a bit of a retracement, a buy 9 on the 4 hour. But yeah, but we're back testing the trend line again, so it's looking very bearish. This is which hence the reason why I'm so bearish, just because it's basically just based on the charts. Sorry, not the chats, the charts. So yeah, over to the cable. Let's look at this on the daily, because we were looking at this daily 9. Yeah, so we had the daily 9 candle here. Yeah, it looked like we could start to be making a move up. So what I would say, this is obviously today's candle. We'll have to see where this closes, but then a break above where this candle closes, I could view as an entry to the buy, and then we can move this buy down if it's in this zone. But yeah, I'm expecting a bit of a retrace in this. I think also, was it the weekly as well, or was it the monthly or not, or was it just the daily? No, it was just the daily. But yeah, just the daily, I was looking for a retrace in this. Yeah, maybe around up to the 200, like we have been doing, a bit of a fake out below the trend line. I mean, if we do regain this line here, this horizontal well, it's now resistance, but this horizontal support that we had, if we regain that zone and this becomes a fake out, I would definitely expect a move back to the top of sort of the box we're in, with the top of this channel, which incidentally is the 200 too. So that's what I'm looking at for this cable. Yeah, and we've got a new green count on the 4 hour. Yeah, very much looking like a descending channel, so could potentially break bullish. But yeah, we could keep selling off. There's no reason why we can't do that. But yeah, I'm just cognizant of this daily 9, because I do like how these markets do react to these daily 9s. Also, we have the here we go, the 12-hour 9. So on the 12-hour chart, you could potentially be in the buy trade now, buying basically at the top of this level here. I just put in a trend line. Oh no, sorry, that's the actual price now. Yeah, so that's me not remembering how TradingView works. Right, so Euro pound, looking at on the daily. Yeah, it's not looking too bad on the daily. We've got we're above the 200, we're above all the moving averages, obviously. We've got the 200 and then the 50. So what happened was we got the bull cross here, which signified potentially an uptrend starting. We then sort of hugged the 200. Yeah, then the 21 basically came down, tested the 200, came back up, and now the 21 looks like if it could cross over the 50, and then just add more support. That will be full consensus of the moving averages in the right orders, in the right positions for a bull trend. So yeah, we could actually see a strong move up in this euro pound. Fundamentally, that's not what I'm looking for, but hey, just that's what I look at that's what I see when I see this chart. Again, the 4 hour. Nothing TD sequential wise, looking constructive. The 4 hour, we already have the correct moving average posture for a bull trend. Yeah, move down into the 21 could support the price. 200 will eventually start to curl upwards as well, which is the final piece of this moving average puzzle. Is obviously them all in the right direction, all in the right order, all splayed apart, and then all in the right slope direction, so sloping upwards if we're bullish. So obviously that's the final piece of that puzzle. So yeah, look, we've come out of this 4 hour RSI zone, so this could cool off the RSI a bit. and then then we could potentially make another move up. But sort of the trend is your friend. We've taken out these recent highs. We held above them as well for a good few 4-hour periods, and we could see more upwards movement in this. So dollar Japanese yen, nothing really going. Still tightening formation there. It would obviously look the same on the daily. A tightening formation here. In a larger tightening formation, so we're just going to have to wait a breakout on that. Dollar index looking strong. This is looking good. This is looking like we could potentially take out some of these levels, some of these 101 levels. Well, basically 101 is the level. Take that out, and onwards and upwards we go. But though, be aware of the fact we are in a consolidation sort of period here. We are range bound, so there is nothing to say we can't just get rejected, come back down to the 21 again, and then make another move up, or even take out the 21 and move down. Sorry, the 200, not the 21, 200 day. This is looking constructive for the time being, and until we start trending back down, you have to assume we're going to trend up. And then if we do trend up, larger time frame moves come into play, which would be a break of these two highs, and then continuation up to test this high at least, and then maybe further, maybe come down, maybe just form a new range here. But this is looking constructive. Let's look at the US dollar, Canadian dollar, or the loonie as they call it. There's not much to see here. There's a reason why I've not really had this on much, just consolidation. Nothing on the TD Sequential on the 4-hour, I wouldn't have thought. No, nothing there. Nothing to keep an eye on there. Let's have a look at our Turkish lira. Is it still making its nice move down off our daily 9 candle pretty much? It is indeed. So I mean, obviously, you guys know I'm a fan of testing the 200, sorry, but clearly that is a very long way away from price action. But testing the 50 then period, this could be where we could have a bit of a bounce. It probably comes in with a bit of horizontal, if you see here from a long way back from 2018, a bit of horizontal support here, potential bounce zone here. I'll maybe draw that on actually. Let me just get it in the right place. Horizontal line, we'll put it around basically, I think here looks nice. So, and we'll make that a bit thicker, and we'll not make it a different color though. There we go, potential bounce line around there. Potential bounce line, that's what I'm kind of looking at here. Mexican peso, I mean, we reacted nice off the 9, but this is holding up well. Tightening formation though, so you would assume this is a bull flag, and we were more likely to break upwards, but you'd never know. We could come down. Well, we could come down and test the 200, or we just could see like a sort of a downtrend established once we take out, well, possibly this level here, definitely this level there. But if not, we'll be looking for more upside. And finally, the Brazilian real. Currently reacted nicely off the 9. Still below that. A red 1 now we've got trading, so potentially get a red 2 below a red 1. And then I would have thought, well, at least a test down to the 21, maybe 50, but I would have thought definitely 21, like we have done numerous times in this trend upwards. So that's what I'm looking out for here. So remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Make sure you always do your own research. And we'll keep an eye on these pairs this week going forwards. Speak to you guys soon.